Iowa's fetal heartbeat law, the most restrictive abortion ban in the U.S., has been declared unconstitutional by a state court. The restriction passed in May 2018 by Iowa's Republican-controlled legislature outlawed abortions after a fetal heartbeat is detected, often at 6 weeks. The law was to take effect last July, but a legal challenge by abortion providers, including Planned Parenthood, halted its implementation. And on late Tuesday, an Iowa judge ruled the law violated the state constitution, writing, quote, "It is undisputed that such cardiac activity is detectable well in advance of the fetus becoming viable." The more widely considered threshold for prohibiting abortions in the U.S. is after 24 weeks. Despite Tuesday's ruling, anti-abortion activists have vowed to carry on the fight.
A heartbeat signifies a life, signifies a separate person with DNA. You don't have a right to kill that person.
Pro-life groups ultimately hope to get the case before the U.S. Supreme Court, which has become more conservative under President Donald Trump.